Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to see your wallet balance on your PlayStation account using a computer or PC. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So if you want to see the money or the funds in your wallet balance on your PlayStation account using a computer, this is very easy to do. Go ahead and open up a web browser and go to the URL and type in PlayStation.com. Just like this, and press enter. Then go to PlayStation.com and sign in the upper right. Now, once you're signed in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account, go to your profile picture and select this. Then a drop-down window will appear. Now go to Payment Management and select this. Then a side window will appear and it will immediately show your wallet balance right on the top here. So currently I have $10 in my PlayStation wallet. Also will say your payment methods right here. Or you can add funds on your computer by going to add funds. You can add $5 all the way up to $60 to your account. So it's very easy to check your wallet balance or add funds. So if this quick little tutorial video did indeed help you out, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.